I'm going to show you how you can make $500 per year without a degree with these 3 skills, okay? 3 skills that you have to have, okay? So number 1, okay, learn how to run ads. Now, let's be honest, okay? Every business, okay, restaurants, dentists, doctors, they all need one thing, okay? Leads, okay? Leads. Leads are the bloods and sweat and foundation of any business, okay? So in order to get leads, people have to run ads, okay? So I recommend you learn how to run ads on Facebook, Google, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn as well. I want you to start off by going to Facebook, right? Facebook, and then see the ads that get fed to you. Take a look at those, okay? And then you can go to facebookads.com. Just type of Facebook ads and you'll find it, okay? Go there, right? And then Facebook actually has tutorials and lessons on how to run these ads, okay? You don't have to buy any expensive course. You can actually read those up and know how to run ads on Facebook. Now, at the bottom up, running ads on all of these platforms is the same thing. The foundation is the same thing. The only difference is the UI or design in one of those things. So at the foundation, it's all the same thing, okay? So learn Facebook ads, then move on to learning how to run ads on Google. Now, the big difference, okay? Facebook ads, cheaper, more effective, but, okay, Google ads, they are kind of expensive, but if you're running ads for like brick and mortar companies that want, their phones ringing all the time, Google ads is the way to go, but their click-through rate, their CPM, it's gonna be actually higher. It's gonna cost you more money for each of those clicks. Versus on Facebook, it's kind of a little bit cheaper, okay? So that's the only difference, but I recommend you start off with Facebook, okay? Keep in mind, you can learn to run ads on Quora, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn. There's so many sources, okay? Even Reddit too, okay? So that was 1, learn how to run ads. Number 2, kind of easy, okay? Learn how to use Adobe products, okay? Adobe products like Photoshop, okay? Illustrator or Premiere. Now, Adobe products, the reason I actually want people to learn it is because if you learn how to manipulate images, videos, and things like that, you have such a great skill set that you can sell on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and even work on the private industry where they are looking for people to edit videos like this, okay? Videos like this and create ads and creatives, okay? Keep in mind, if you have that creative brain, learn those Adobe products like the back of your hand. You got that, right? Now, last but not least is WordPress, okay? Now, I'm gonna put a twist to it, okay? Everybody's told you learn WordPress. Now, WordPress, right? So you're like, I know how to use it, but I don't know how to create themes. You might be saying that. Now, guess what? There is a plugin called Elementor. Now, Elementor is a plugin that's gonna help you design your WordPress, add pop-ups, opt-ins, all those cool features with just drag and drop. That's all you have to do. So if you learn that skill, you'll have that skill set to create amazing, beautiful websites, themes, and all these interaction without writing a single line of code. So all of those things, if you have those skills, you should be good. Now, like I say, okay, the more skills that you have, the better you'll be off. For example, let me give you an example right here. So let's say you learn how to run ads, right? Now, once you do learn how to run ads, guess what? Ads have to go to a landing page. Guess what? If you have the WordPress skills, you can create that landing page without writing a single line of code. And Photoshop skill, hey, you need that for a great website and great ad sets as well. So if you have all these skill sets, you should be good. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what other skill that you are working on. Don't forget to subscribe right now.